Chrissy Bales and welcome to my YouTube channel. Like, today is the day I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve this my signature look. Like, I'm gonna show you the tools I use to achieve this look. You guys know I'm about this look. It's all about the layers, the effect, the boom. It's like when you wake up, you know, it's like Bales. Like, it's Chrissy. It's everything Chrissified. Okay, let me wind it back, okay? But this is not necessarily the quickest, but it's the easiest way to achieve this, especially if you cannot deal with that whole curling things, you know, the curling tongues, the wands. This is the way forward. It's like that blowout effect with layers. Also, it's cheap, like cheap, cheerful. You don't gotta burn your hands. You're good to go. If you'd like to see how I achieve this amazing vroom curls of all sorts, please keep watching.
Okay guys, so we're going to begin with a very freshly washed and air-dried hair that has been layered. I repeat, layered for the gods. The wig has been prepped with heat protector and a serum. Now section the hair in couple lines, like 2 to 3 lines, and apply the silhouette hair mousse onto the hair that you've sectioned, and also use the Denman brush to comb it into the hair. Once that is done, we're going to use our brand new hot air styler to actually do the job. Now put that on in not the first heat but the second temperature. Do not put it on cold because it will not do anything for your hair. Now try pinning up the hair just to make sure that you have a clear surface area to work on. Once that is done, grab your hot air styler. Make sure it's on the second heat, not on the first one, okay? Now roll the hair away from your face or away from the mannequin head and roll it all the way to the root of the hair, away from your face or the mannequin head. Now wait for a good 10 seconds. Count up to 10 seconds. Once that is done, gently roll the hair in the opposite direction. Release the hair in the opposite direction gradually. Once this is done, to retain the curls, make sure your hand is moisturized with some form of serum, and now pick up the curls and just pin it up so that the curls is still in one place. And we are ready to move on to number 2. Okay, now you will notice that in this process I'm gonna do 2 going away from the face, so they're both going in the opposite direction and they're gonna meet in the middle. Okay, this is also going in the opposite direction. Wait for 10 seconds and release. Guys, remember, I'm just gonna fast forward this video for video's sake. Please make sure you wait for that 10 seconds because it will not work. Okay, now moving on to the other side, guys. Again, remember what we did the first time round. Roll the brush away from your mannequin head or from your face. This is actually how you should tongue your hair, people, and roll it slowly all the way to the root. Hold for 10 seconds and gently release in the opposite direction. Guys, just slow down this video and watch it line by line. I promise it will look amazing. Please do not forget to literally make sure that you have serum in your palms. If not, it will not look amazing. Okay, you need the serum in your arms, in your palm, guys, in your palm. Now hold, release, and literally pin. As you can see, we have literally just finished this row. Now part another 2 to 3 lines or even 3 to 4 lines. Add the mousse on and divide it into 2. One section going away from the face from your right, another section going away from the face from your left. Do not forget to use a holding spray to spray the whole hair. Okay, so now when it comes to the front, you're gonna have to do the same thing, but this time around make intersection and do it across the layers you've created. Okay, now the first thing we do, look at exactly what I'm doing. Comb the hair away from the face, hold for 10 seconds and then release and pin. Please do not forget the serum on your palm. It is super important. Okay, now follow the directions of how I'm combing out this hair using the hot air styler, as it's really important, and even how I'm twisting it back away from my face, okay, or the mannequin head. This is what this side should actually look like, okay? That's what the one part of the side of the hair, which is your left hand side, should look like. Now we're gonna go over to the left hand side. Remember the same process. This is basically the closure and literally 2 more lines. That's what I'm using this part, okay? Now make sure your closure is already bleached, plucked, and customized. Obviously I'm using a wig from my collection called Sasha. I'm gonna put the link literally on here right now. So yes, this is literally the same way, away from the face, pin, away from the face and pin, okay? Make sure you can feel the heat from the hot air styler. If you're not feeling the heat and you're using it on cold, you will not get the same result. Moving on to installation time, guys. I'm gonna have a couple of videos coming up on different ways to install your lace without using glue. We're gonna use different method, okay? Today I'm gonna use a silhouette mousse to install this lace on my head. As you can see, I'm just gonna apply it, tie it down with the CB edge slayer. This is magical. If you haven't got one, click the link down below and order one. You need it, trust me. Once that is done, and now I'm gonna take off the pins off my hair. Just remember, my hair has been curled for like almost an hour or 2 hours now. Once all the pins have been taken out, now just gently run your fingers through your hair. Don't forget to spray it one more time with a holding spray, and girl, you are ready to slay, slay, and slay.
Okay guys, this is the result, guys. Take it in. Like, I'm moving and my hair is moving with me. Like, this is such a Chrissy look. Like, I know I'm saying myself, I'm calling myself in the third person, but this is me to the T. I love that layers, the effect. Like when you walk into a room, it says you have arrived. Like everybody will turn and look. She has arrived, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't, don't worry. Stay tuned. You will enjoy the next one. Thank you. Subscribe.